Hey everyone, I'm Jordan and welcome to the Caileur YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you what I pack in my bag when I'm traveling. Alright, let's do it.
Okay, but first, a coffee break. Caileur sent along with my products this adorable cup. It's branded. It says Caileur Hearts Travel, and then on the opposite side it has this awesome little plane that says Caileur and Bon Voyage. So cute. I'm gonna make an iced coffee in it. I love an iced coffee. It's a great afternoon pick-me-up. When you're packing, it can be stressful, so it makes the experience a little bit more fun, gives you that boost of energy you need to get things going and just like power through the whole experience. So that's tip number 1 for you. Definitely have a little coffee or a caffeine pick me up and throw it in your Caileur cup while you're at it. All right, so now it's time to tag along for the good stuff. I'm packing for an upcoming trip and I want to show you guys how I get organized and what I do to make traveling just a little bit easier. Okay, so tip number 2, and it might seem obvious or self-explanatory, but I like to lay out all my clothes before I pack them into my bag. I like to go through day by day, what I'm doing on the trip, where I'll be, and then lay out outfits accordingly. I even lay out things like books I might want to read. I'll throw out headphones and just little trinkets too that I think I'm definitely going to use. So it all goes out on my bed ahead of time, and I just kind of review my schedule and then the fits that I have laid out and make sure that I'm extra prepared. Next up, while I'm packing, is toiletries. This is a vital part of packing for any trip, especially when you're as obsessed with skincare and just all kinds of self-care like I am. So for toiletries, I'm bringing with me a bunch of travel size luxury skincare products from an amazing website called Caileur.com. It's an e-commerce site where they actually sell a ton of our favorite brands in travel size minis. Something about having the things that you have in your medicine cabinet or in your shower when you're on the go just makes the trip 10 times more enjoyable. I know that I'm sad if I have to use the hotel product. The great thing about Caileur is that they send all your products in these quart size padded baggies, so you know that your products are going to be safe in there and you know they're not going to spill onto all your stuff. I was on a trip once and I packed some baby oil and it got all over my stuff. Exploded literally everywhere. So this bag really would stop anything like that from happening. So it's kind of a must when you're packing. So if it's not obvious, shopping on Caileur.com for your travel needs and essentials is my tip number 3. You gotta get there. Run, don't walk. This is the place to be if you're looking to bring your at-home skincare line and hair care and all things self-care with you on your next trip. To get down into it, here's what I'm bringing with me. So first off, I'm bringing the Indie Lee Daily Skin Nutrition Light Moisturizer. But I love to have a lightweight moisturizer on me, especially when I'm traveling in the warmer months or going somewhere with high humidity. And then speaking of high humidity and warmness and heat, I'm bringing the Soleil Toujours SPF 50 for your face. This is a mineral sunscreen and I always recommend bringing a sunscreen, especially in the summer months. Then I'm bringing 2 Kiehl's products, the cleansing face wash and the Creme de Corps body lotion. I have really dry skin, so I need a body lotion and I have to have a gentle cleanser with me, and this is a great one. So these 2 items are a must. The great thing too about these products is they will last you more than just the one trip. Honestly, unless you're traveling for multiple months at a time, these will get you through the next trip and the trip after. And then finally, I am bringing the 111 Skin Facial Sheet Mask. It's better than being on vacation and being able to treat yourself to a little R&R, a little maybe chill spa night in, and then use the best product.
All right, so guys, this is it. My bag is all packed. I'm ready for my trip. I'm throwing my travels in there and zipping her up. So we're off and we're ready to go. And thank you to Caileur for all the amazing products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.